How to recover lost WhatsApp chats on Android without backup. So if you want to recover deleted WhatsApp messages without backup, then what you need to do is just watch this video. First, you need to open up your file manager. After opening your file manager, you need to scroll down, go with internal storage. Once you tap on your internal storage, you need to scroll down and then go with Android. Under Android, you'll have an option of media. Tap on media and then scroll down and you'll find com.whatsapp. Once you find, you need to tap on it and then you will have a WhatsApp folder. Tap on WhatsApp and you need to scroll down, tap on WhatsApp again, and here you will have databases option. Or just simply go with accounts and then tap on the account. Now go with databases or backups folder. Here you will have your backups, your data folder. So you need to just simply select that. And then you will have all of the information like your wallpapers, your stickers, your chats and everything. And then you can go with databases as well. Here you need to go with the databases and select all of these folders right here. And then copy these folders. And after copying, tap on copy to. And after that, you need to go back to the backups folder right here and then paste it right here. Go with the three dots and then tap on paste right here. And after pasting, you'll recover all of your deleted WhatsApp messages without backup. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.